Hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy, healthy and prosperous new year. This new year, let's build our GSA. GSA stands for let's build our goals, let's build our skills and let's build on our actions. This year, let's set a new goal for ourselves. We need to add new skills to achieve our goals and we need to set an action plan or come up with an action plan to how to add new skills to achieve our goals. So goals can be to become a good communicator or to become a good leader. What skills we need to become a good communicator? We need to have a good communication skills. In order to become a good leader, we need to add to our leadership skills, right? Now, action. What should be our action or action plan? So in order to be a good communicator, we need to add on how to come up with a study plan. We need to come up with exercises, activities, techniques, frameworks, and practice sessions in order to acquire fluency and confidence in speaking in English and becoming a good communicator, which is our goal. Okay, so start working on your GSA for 2026. Stay positive and stay healthy.